Today, we're going to learn how to use the schwa to sound like a British person, and we're going to learn right now. Hi, my name's Joe. Welcome to my channel. If you'd like to learn how to improve your spoken English, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss anything. Let's watch a short dialogue which uses the schwa sound spoken by a very British person, and then afterwards I'll help you understand what you heard. Hey, how are you doing? I was going to put the kettle on. Do you want a cup of tea? Milk and sugar? British speakers use the schwa sound to make it easier to speak and because it creates a beautiful rhythm. The schwa is the most common sound in English and the easiest to make. Think of the word about. It has two syllables. The first syllable, which is the letter A, is the schwa. About. About. Quite often, British speakers will replace unstressed words with the schwa. In the dialogue, I use the schwa to replace words like are, and, to, and of. I also use the common forms of going to, gonna, and want a, wanna. So let's look at the dialogue again, but this time with subtitles using this symbol to help you identify the schwa. Hey, how are you doing? I was going to put the kettle on. Do you want a cup of tea? Milk and sugar? So, if you wanna learn more about how to improve your spoken English, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next class.